Hey guys, Mike Hall here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Rugged Action Camera Case from Case Logic.
This case is designed for content creators who want to keep their action camera and accessories in a durable, portable, and easy to manage package. The outside of the case is made with strong polyester material. The bottom is made with a water-resistant Durabase which provides stability and protection. The case also contains dual zippers designed to fit a luggage lock for added security. On the inside, a soft padded base, sides, and dividers ensure protection from drops and bumps. The Velcro padded dividers allow you to adjust storage compartments based on your accessories. An organizational panel provides storage for cords, SD cards, manuals, and other small items. Mesh pockets are perfect for small and large cords. The zippered pocket is great for manuals, SD cards, and larger cables. Once you're all loaded up, use the carrying handle for easy transport. Let's see how much we can fit into the case. And there you have it. Everything is ready to go.
I hope you liked this quick review. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thanks again, guys.